Good morning. We are going to make some bread. I haven't even brushed my hair yet, but it takes 2 hours to proof, so I want to get it started now. So we start off with 1.5 cups of water. And this isn't sourdough, this is just regular white bread, so I'm going to be using a packet of yeast. So the water, then add the egg baby. I've got a little baby over here interested. Yeast.
No.
Yes. Oh. Then I add just a little bit of honey. This is local honey, and that's definitely the best. You helping? Go ahead. And then 3¼ cups of flour. You gonna help me mix? Let's mix together.
No.
You're a baby, you can't do it by yourself.
Baby.
Yeah. And then add 2 tablespoons of salt. And then cover this for 2 hours. So we'll be back in 2 hours.